Hi everyone, Silverstone here. Oh, hi. Okay. Yeah, okay, well, there's Ranger. Old but playful. Murphy, Connor. What? Seriously? Trying to make a video here, guys. Ranger. Hi. Smile at the camera. Hi. Connor. 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 Hi. Sorry. Stop. Murphy. Okay. Stop. Okay. Stop. Stop. Shush. So just wanted to do an update, but apparently they're not gonna let me. Okay. Hi. Okay. You guys. Hi. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at you. Yeah, good boy. Hi, Connor. Feeling jealous? Boop. Well, nothing's been going on lately. I'm just taking care of the dogs for a bit until grandparents get home from their trip. I'm starting school soon. Somewhere, obviously in August, this month. Somewhere around 16th, maybe? I don't know. Oops, sorry. From the 16th, maybe? I don't know. So I'm not going to update as much when I start school. Let's see. What else was I going to say? Oh yeah, next month, September, will be my birthday on the 10th, and I'll be 15. Yay! Ranger, you excited? Are you excited for me to be 15? Okay. Yeah, look at you. You got a handsome face. Yes, you're a handsome puppy. Oh. It's cute. You got a handsome face too. You'll get there eventually. Okay. In my lap you go. Okay. No, he's Murphy. He's just chilling. He's actually surprisingly. What? Yeah, he's in my lap. Hey, be nice. Stop it. Stop. Like, I'm getting off the floor. It's dangerous for me to be on the floor now. Well, that's all I have to say, I guess. Nothing's going on. Okay. Well, this was... Okay. Well, that's all. Bye. Hope to update soon. Bye.